Alza was established in 1994. We are the largest online retailer in Czech Republic and Slovakia. The wide of the products is from electronics to toys, cosmetics. What makes us unique is the market-leading service, where you can order by midnight and you will get it next day morning. Our network includes 46 physical stores and over 4,500 Alza boxes. Behind me you can see the AutoStore system, which contains 300,000 bins and 580 robots operating right now. We choose AutoStore because it offers the best combination of speed, accuracy and density. In addition, the integration was easier compared to other automation technologies. We evaluated several alternatives, mostly the shuttle-based solution and AGVs. After careful comparison, AutoStore proved to be the best fit for our operation needs.
Element Logic is one of the biggest integrator of AutoStore products in Europe. Alza is by far our biggest customer from the point of view of size, of the installation, number of robots, and also throughput of the system.
In the AutoStore, there is more than 120 or sometimes even more than 150,000 unique SKUs. There is carton erectors and carton closers, about 5 kilometers of conveyors, robotic sorting system, intralock sorting system, also the robotic arms which are in the tunnel.
We have our daily capacity around 120,000-130,000 orders per day, and during the peak season it could be doubled.
The uniqueness of this system here is about the constant improvement of the processes. We have already made 3 main extensions of the system to increase the capacity and throughput.
AutoStore has significantly accelerated and simplified the process of goods in and picking.
The pickers are staying in front of picking station and simply put the item from the one tote to another one. In terms of numbers, there is increasing of the pick rate by 75% after AutoStore installation start operate.
The AutoStore system allowed us to reduce the complexity of the processes, and also we were able to deliver the goods to our customers faster.
Now we are focusing more about the processes, about setting the system, fine-tuning, compared to the focus on manpowers, how to train them, how to manage them. Learning curve for AutoStore is very easy.
So speed is really the heartbeat of any efficient warehouse. The ability to keep great inventory visibility, well-orchestrated staff, fully working system, and efficient processes moving quickly is the most critical consideration for winning and keeping your clients' trust. While speed is the central to the idea of high throughput, it is also one of the most challenging things to sustain. And that's where AutoStore truly excels. With our router technology, we can optimize the movements of our robots in real time, boosting speed and throughput without the need for additional hardware. Multiple robots are co-working in parallel to constantly deliver bins directly to operators, eliminating wasted travel and ensuring quick access to goods. So no matter where the bin is coming from, we guarantee that the pickers never have to wait for a bin. AutoStore is a highly relevant technology for e-commerce because it addresses the industry's biggest challenge, which is handling a large volume of orders both quickly and accurately. Customers today expect fast delivery and reliability, so you need to be able to trust your inventory and your operations in order to comply with the customer's wishes and deliver on your promises. AutoStore enables the retailers to make good on such promises while allowing them to focus less on operational challenges and more on growing their business.
Without AutoStore, it would not be possible to keep the promise which is given to customers that if you order today, you will get the goods tomorrow morning at Alza box.
The second site is under construction in Slovakia, and it's gonna contain 400,000 bins and 650 R5 Pro robots.
AutoStore consistently delivers at the speed, accuracy, and efficiency needed to handle large order volumes with full confidence.
In terms of numbers, we are speaking about increasing the performance by 4 times almost.
With the volume we handle today, it would be almost impossible to handle it manually.
AutoStore, together with Element Logic services, has brought a real competitive advantage to Alza.